What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
What time should we meet?
What time should we meet?
Where shall we go?
Where shall we go?
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
Can we meet at 5 p.m.?
Can we meet at 5 p.m.?
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
I can't come today.
I can't come today.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I like English.
I like English.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
I need to study.
I need to study.
I have homework.
I have homework.
My phone is not working.
My phone is not working.
I forgot my password.
I forgot my password.
Can I use your laptop?
Can I use your laptop?
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
The internet is slow.
The internet is slow.
This is my email address.
This is my email address.
Can you send me the file?
Can you send me the file?
I can't open the app.
I can't open the app.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
I love watching videos.
I love watching videos.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
I'm busy right now.
I'm busy right now.
Can you send the report?
Can you send the report?
I need a break.
I need a break.
My boss is kind.
My boss is kind.
I finished the task.
I finished the task.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
Please check your email.
Please check your email.
I'll be late.
I'll be late.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Where is the hospital?
Where is the hospital?
I'm feeling better now.
I'm feeling better now.
Take this medicine.
Take this medicine.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
My back hurts.
My back hurts.
You should rest.
You should rest.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
I live with my family.
I live with my family.
This is my room.
This is my room.
Please clean the table.
Please clean the table.
I'm doing the laundry.
I'm doing the laundry.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
Can you help me cook?
Can you help me cook?
I love this sofa.
I love this sofa.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
I drive a car.
I drive a car.
Where is the train station?
Where is the train station?
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
I missed the train.
I missed the train.
I need a ticket.
I need a ticket.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
How long is the trip?
How long is the trip?
It's a short ride.
It's a short ride.
Let's take a taxi.
Let's take a taxi.
We arrived on time.
We arrived on time.
Hello, who is this?
Hello, who is this?
Can I speak to Sarah?
Can I speak to Sarah?
Please call me later.
Please call me later.
I didn't hear you.
I didn't hear you.
I have no signal.
I have no signal.
Text me the details.
Text me the details.
The line is busy.
The line is busy.
I will call you back.
I will call you back.
My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
Let's talk later.
Let's talk later.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Let's celebrate.
Let's celebrate.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
That's so kind of you.
That's so kind of you.
You are very funny.
You are very funny.
I think so.
I think so.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
I agree.
I agree.
I don't agree.
I don't agree.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Let's go.
Let's go.